It's been fabulous, actually. I think the passive 3D technology is superb. It's very, very responsive, and it works brilliantly in standard 2D high def as well. Really, the HD content is fabulous, and most of the channels we watch now are in HD anyway. So I think all of the HD content and the 3D is fantastic. So far, in the short time I've had the TV, one of the most interesting ones had to be the snowboarding at the X Games, because the camera guys were coming down the slopes with the riders, so you were actually following the rider down, and of course as they came off the jumps they were coming out the screen at you, and you got all the powder. It was really clear, and of course because it's on a snowy mountain, it's all white, crystal blue skies. The sort of the colour and the depth was absolutely fantastic, and it was quite a moment when I was showing it to my father-in-law, and he sat there and was like, "Whoa, somebody's come out the screen at me there," and it was the first time he'd seen 3D, and it was a really good bit of content to show him, and it really works well. And when they get to the bottom, they're standing there having their interviews, and they start waving their arms around, and because they're so close to the camera at that point, their arms come out the TV at you. It's those sorts of moments, I think, that make the 3D content worthwhile. We were playing on the Xbox Call of Duty Black Ops, but it was absolutely fantastic because people can go, right, I've got the Xbox at home, I don't need anything else, I just need the TV, and I can play 3D games. But here is a great partnership. Here's the Xbox, great bit of kit, here's the LG 3D TV. Together they'll just make the best 3D gaming experience. I think that the passive glasses system is going to work a lot better, just because, I mean, of the time I've used these, the glasses have not given me any problems with headaches or anything like that. They're very comfortable to wear, very light. You don't have to charge them, you can just stick them on, that's it. They don't have to be synced with the TV. You haven't got the problem of having to have the room dark. You don't have to have the room completely dark. For me, the quality and the ease of use completely outweighs the active shutter system. The fact that you can just put these on, watch great content in 3D whenever you like, it wins every time. Cheap glasses, I've got a box up there of 7 pairs that come with the TV, because LG know that you want to have a party, and, have your mates around, watch the rugby, watch the football, and if you can just hand out a pair of glasses, it's easy. You don't have to worry about, oh, an extra person turns up and they haven't got a pair of glasses, and then where do you go from there? You don't have to have a dark room. If you're going to have friends around to watch 3D, you don't necessarily want to have the room in complete darkness. You don't necessarily want to have to fork out 80 quid on a pair of glasses every time an extra person turns up. And also the factor that I can give these to my daughter. If she breaks them, it doesn't bother me.